Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your headphones, and right here we have ambient sound control. Firstly, we need to enable transparency. You can do this also using gesture or tap at the ambient sound, but with a gesture you cannot manage them. So if we enable, right here we have two presets, default and fully transparent. I prefer fully transparent, but it's up to you. You can also select a default one, and that's it. You cannot swap between these presets using gesture. You can swap only between normal mode, transparency and ANC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.